Hey guys, it's Meara. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be trying something new, something fun and fresh. I'm gonna be doing colored eyeshadow for the first time in my life. I literally, if you know me or if you've ever seen any of my other makeup videos, I literally always do like a neutral, natural smoky eye. I never do bright colors. I don't even own any bright colors. And for a while now, I've been wanting to like try to step out of my comfort zone and do some like fine bright makeup. So I started small. I bought this little adorable, beautiful Norvina #1 mini palette. So this is the one that's just like, it's nothing new and exciting. Like this has been out for a while, but it's the one with like pinks and purples. So yeah, I just wanted to take a baby step. I didn't want to get like a big palette because I kind of thought about it, and then Mitchell was like, you're not going to use any of those colors, and I was like, you're probably right. So I don't know, yeah, this one, it's like I already kind of like warmer tones with my eyes and stuff, so like I don't know, like pink and purple will look nice, I think, and I'll probably actually use them. I don't see myself wearing green or yellow eyeshadow or blue anytime in the near future. Baby steps. So I already did my eyebrows and primed my eyes because nobody cares about that. We're here for the eyes. Before we get into this video, please give it a big thumbs up to help me out, show me that you like me here, or else I'll just leave, you know. Subscribe, follow me on Instagram, leave a comment, say hey, tell me what you think, and let's get into it. First of all, Aquaphor. Second of all, I have some inspo. The vibe we're kind of going for today is, I think, something kind of like that. You can't see that. Like that. So kind of like purple on the lid, and then like it kind of blends into like pink, and then like pink on the bottom I think would be cool. I don't really know what I'm doing. I've never really understood like how people blend bold different colors together, because whenever I do eyeshadow I use all alike colors, and then I feel like it's a foolproof way to blend. But I'm just gonna... Oh, she is so beautiful. Oh my god, this is literally the first colored palette I've ever owned. All I have is like brown eyeshadow. The most colorful palette I have is the Naked Heat palette, and it's still like neutral. It's like, well, it's warm, but like it's like natural colors, you know? Okay, oh my god, I don't even know, like, do I do the purple first? Do I do the pink first? I think I'm gonna do the purple and then blend the pink, because I always do my crease first usually. Maybe I'll do the crease and I'll do the pink first, okay? I guess I'll start with like the peachy color that's like the lightest shade. Should I use a transition shade from like a different palette? No, we're just gonna go all in with this girl today. Oh my god, okay. What y'all think? Okay, this color is actually so cute. I could do a look with just this. Okay, next I'm gonna go in with, should I do like this like reddy pinky color, or like the purpley one? The purpley one, okay. Thanks for your input. Okay. Oh, I'm speechless. They actually just kind of melt together. Okay. Oh my god, this is not as scary as I thought. These colors look so nice together. They just like, I guess that's why they go in a palette together, because they just seamlessly go together. Weird, right? Feeling like a flamingo sunset. Now I think I'm just gonna pack on one of the purple shades. I don't really know which one. Okay, I think I'm gonna go for like the lighter one. The other one's kind of like an indigo. It's a little bit blue. Look at the pigment though. Oh my god. I've heard it's really hard to find a good purple eyeshadow. I wouldn't know because I never buy colored eyeshadow, but this seems like it's pretty good to me. I'm gonna mix in a little bit of the other one too, actually. There is Fallout, but that's also could be because I don't really know what I'm doing. Okay, then I'm gonna go back in with the pink. Okay, I wish I kind of kept like the purple a little bit more like, so there could be like a bit more pink, but like I don't know, I'm not mad. I kind of like it. I'm definitely not a makeup artist, but I don't think it went terrible. That's pretty much it. Like what the hell, that was so much easier than I thought. I was gonna do maybe like a black on my lash line, but I think I'm gonna just take this color to blend in with lashes. That's right guys, I'm wearing lashes. Literally never wear lashes, but who am I? I'm gonna wear lashes today. I'm wearing colored eyeshadow. I'm really becoming a new person. You know, actually that color is brighter than I thought, so we're gonna just go in with the black. I'm gonna use like Ashes from the Naked Heat palette. Okay, cool. All right, I'm gonna go clean up my face, put on some lashes, and we'll be right back. Okay, who is she? Wow. Okay, now I'm just gonna quickly do my face before I do the under eye and just finish everything, you know? I don't think this eyelash is on properly. It feels weird. I don't know. I mentioned in my last video that I have never had a beauty blender before. Guess what came in? Honestly, there's such a difference between like this and like my Real Technique sponge. Like the Real Technique one, the Real Technique sponge is like, it's really firm, and when I would like beat things into my face, it kind of would hurt sometimes. This is really soft. Tried getting a new tan foundation, but I feel like it's like still too light. I don't really know. Got darker than I thought it would. I've been trying that new concealer trend where you just like conceal here or whatever and not like a triangle. I haven't really figured it out yet. Now we're gonna contour. Just snatch that nose up real quick. I don't know what that was. You know what I just realized I forgot, which I forget a lot? I forgot to prime. I was just thinking I'm feeling a little dry, and I was like, I need to prime my skin. Set it a little bit because I've been drying out like the desert. As I've been finishing my face makeup, I've been looking at the eyes, and I'm like, you know, originally my plan was to do pink, but I was looking at the eye. I'm like, would it tie the eye better together if I did the purple on the bottom, or should I still do pink? Like, I don't really know. So we all know I love blush. For the under eye, we're just gonna go in, okay? Okay, so I'm mixing both the pink colors, both the pinks that I put like in my crease. I like that. You know what I forgot though? I just realized we forgot to do some shimmer. I'm just gonna use like, ooh, I don't know what one I want to use actually. Ooh, that's so pretty. Okay, I'm gonna use the kind of rose gold one, and I'm just gonna like randomly put it on the lid. Oh no, I literally ruined everything. Okay, I was not expecting that. Change of plan. I ruined it, kind of. It's not that bad. Instead, I'm just gonna like put this stuff on my inner corner. How do beauty gurus just make their entire, like all of their makeup, their face makeup, their eyes, they make it like so flawless. Then I'm gonna put the mascara, ooh, I'm gonna focus. Put the mascara on the bottom. Okay, this eyelash is like too far down. Okay, everything's fine. The bottom mascara, not really here for it, but that's fine. Okay, let's do some highlight. No makeup looks complete without some glow. Next, we're gonna do lips. You guys, let me tell you something. I have been really into the lip look where you have like a dark nude liner and then like a light nude lip, and so I wanted to try it. I feel like lately I've been a little inspired by like a few like British influencers like Madison Sarah, Rachel Leary, Jordan Lipscomb. They all do like the dark lip liner, and then I was like, I want to do that. So what is that? I bought this lip liner. It's MAC. It's called Cork. And I bought it because I saw Madison Sarah use it, and I was like getting MAC anyway, so I was like, yeah, okay, I'm gonna try that. And I was like, you know, I feel like if it looks good on her, we kind of have similar coloring, it'll probably look good on me too. It didn't. It was not cute. I have to exchange it. So basically, moral of the story is I'm just gonna do the same lip that I do every single freaking day. I also, like, I don't know if maybe it just wasn't like I just didn't like it on me, or if it was just because the liner is too dark. So I want to get a new, I want to exchange it for like a lighter lip liner, but that is still darker than like the nudes that I have, you know what I mean? And we're gonna go in with a faux. I almost kind of want to try it right now. Okay, so I decided to put cork on. Like, I feel like from afar it kind of looks okay, but like when I look at it up close, I just don't like it. I don't know. Tell me what you guys think. Let me know if you think that's okay. I don't know. But alright guys, that is the finished look. I don't know who she is. Let me know what y'all think about that. I mean, especially given it's my first time playing with color, I'm like really not mad. I'm pretty proud of myself. Good job, Meara. Anyway guys, that is it for this video. Thank you for watching. Let me know what you think. If you have any tips, let's hear them. Don't be too mean though, I'm a little sensitive. Please like this video, subscribe for a video once a week, every Saturday, and follow me on Instagram. And thank you guys for watching. Have a wonderful day and peace out.